I'm Jack.
And I'm Jeff.
From Impulse Labs. Today, we are Eggmaxxing. What we're doing here is we love to fry eggs on the Impulse cooktop. This is a very special video. We are going to be cooking 4 different types of eggs. As you can see in front of you, we have the humble quail egg, a traditional chicken egg. Free-range chicken lived a fantastic life before laying this egg. We have a duck egg, and then the special guest, a emu egg, not to be mistaken with a dragon egg. That is a emu egg that we sustainably sourced here in San Francisco. Jeff, you'll be needing our stainless steel tri-ply pan for our first 3 eggs. I'll take the stainless steel nonstick, and let's get started.
We're gonna cook the quail egg first. We're gonna cut a slice of butter and just drop it into the pan. And we're gonna let it melt just a little bit. We've got our quail egg, and we're just gonna crack it and put it right into the pan.
Next, we have our standard chicken egg. Jeff, you know how to do this one? Perfect. Gorgeous. Fried egg on an Impulse will never cease to amaze me. This is something that used to ruin pans, and I would just avoid a fried egg even if I had a non-stick pan on a traditional cooktop, electric, induction, or gas. On Impulse, I'm taking the guesswork out, and I can perfectly cook this fried egg every single time. Or in this case, Jeff can cook one for me. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Perfect, every single time.
This is a duck egg.
Wow, look at that yolk.
Ooh, nice and round.
Gorgeous. And again, we're at 300. I like my egg sort of on the diner egg side, so my perfect egg is 315, a little crispier around the edges. I generally tell people that sort of perfect, crispy but not over crispy egg right at 300 does the trick. That duck egg is looking amazing. Oh man, even the duck egg. That is fantastic. And now, last but definitely not least, the emu egg. For the emu egg, we need to first crack this. And this is a little more than just cracking on the side of the pan. I'm going to take a mug, place the emu egg here, and now I'm going to crack around the top. I have prepped my egg. It is starting to crack. I'm gonna use a little more butter here. We want it nice and buttery and coated. Again, we're gonna try this at 300 as we have done all of our other eggs. The moment of truth. Can I crack this? Ready?
Whoa. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. There we go. That is quite the egg. This is as big as a San Francisco apartment. And we are off. We are already starting to see the emu egg cook on our stainless steel non-stick all-clad pan. Whew. This is looking fantastic. Now we sit and wait. The important part of cooking an Emu egg on the Impulse cooktop is you're not gonna burn the bottom, as it takes a while to cook through the egg itself. As you may or may not be able to see, I've got probably a ½ inch of egg that I'm cooking through right now. But again, I'm trusting the fact that the even cooking temperature of the Impulse cooktop is not gonna burn the bottom of this egg as I'm able to cook through all of this mass. Thank you. As you can see, Eggmaxxing has hit its limit. We are still cooking the perfect Emu egg, but there's a lot of material to get through here. You can see it's starting to finish up on the bottom. We're seeing this firm up down at the bottom of the egg, and I am very confident that we are not burning. But to help the process along, we are going to put a lid on top, catch a little bit of the vapor, and see if we can cook the egg from the top down to help it along. Let's give this a couple seconds. We are at the point where you can see we are cooking through from the bottom. We're getting these nice little air pockets, but you know, at Impulse, we like to be daring. We like to innovate. I don't know how many people have tried frying an Emu egg, but I think we're gonna flip it. All right, Jeff, you think we can do this?
I might back up.
All right, I'm gonna make sure we're... Nailed it.
Dang.
There we go. Now we have this beautiful fried Emu egg. This is a lot. This is a lot to take in. Question to the internet: does this look delicious? Because I would say this is a perfectly fried Emu egg.
It looks like frittata. No.
Yeah, frittata, alien spawn. Yeah, I think we're doing well. All right, Jeff, I think this is ready for plating. If you wouldn't mind giving me a hand, I think I'm gonna actually, well, take the reins here and I'm gonna flip this over onto the top. Oh, close enough. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. That is a fried Emu egg, everyone. Thank you for watching Eggmaxxing 1.0. We may revisit this in the future. Again, that chicken fried egg on your Impulse, fantastic. Everything up to an Emu, amazing. Emu may still need some work, but I hope you enjoyed the video.
Thanks for watching.